down because tonight we have a lot of surprises prepared just for you. But before anything else, I will request all of the Dano ones over there to please vacate the area. Please clear the area, everyone, for we will be opening our Kusina Sedana for the Paskong Dano in 2024. For anything else, we will request all of our city officials headed by our Vice Mayor, Ramon Ron III, and the rest of the city councilors, and our guests, of course, to be at our Kusina Sedana for the official ribbon cutting.